This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, November the 23rd, 2012. And now, our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today, we have some energy moving across the Great Lakes. With the cold air coming down from the northwest, it'll still be fairly breezy today, but temperatures will be nothing like they were yesterday. Highs only in the 30s to near 40, wind chills in the 20s. It'll be a raw day with sunny skies as we go along throughout the day. Heading into Saturday, we'll have lows Saturday morning in the teens, running up into the 30s to lower 40s, with mainly sunny skies and winds starting to switch around back to the south and west. Sunday will be about the same, highs in the upper 30s to lower to middle 40s, with some light and variable winds as we have a weak storm system moving across the U.S.-Canadian border, and another one off to our west beginning to develop over here into the Dakotas, and a low pressure over Oklahoma here on Monday. This could bring Monday night into early Tuesday some light snow across the state. We're a little too early on accumulations, but by Tuesday midday the storm is now gone, so this will likely be a Monday night to Tuesday morning event. And then it cools back down into the 30s for highs on Tuesday. And Wednesday, the winds switch back around to the south and temperatures back up to the 40s again. So this quick turnaround, one day it's cold, then it warms back up again with this fairly quick flow across the country. And Thursday, we'll have highs well into the 40s. Another disturbance moving across the Great Lakes, a big storm slamming into the west coast, some moisture over the Texas Gulf Coast. And by a week from today, we have that storm moving into the west coast, a ridge over about the eastern half of the country. And with that, that's going to keep us fairly seasonally warm. Southerly winds, temperatures possibly nearing 50 again, but rain and snow and just all sorts of messy over the west, and rain moving up into Texas and Oklahoma. A couple days later, on December 4th, we have a trough over the west, bit of a ridge over the east, a disturbance over the eastern Great Lakes. Will have brought some showers and thunderstorms across the mid-Atlantic down to the south and east. A new storm developing over the southeastern parts of Colorado. That will have to be one to watch if this is right. Could bring us some wintry weather possibly. And at the end of the forecast on December the 8th, a big polar vortex over Hudson and James Bay in eastern Canada, and a flow coming straight out of the Yukon around here. And that's going to keep temperatures, well, fairly cool. Maybe highs in the 30s, some snow across the Great Lakes, and a fairly big storm system off the east coast, and another storm moving into the Pacific Northwest. Last night's satellite image showed there's the cold front that brought the cooler and windier weather to the state. Some showers and a few thunderstorms along it, some snow up to our north, and another storm moving into the Pacific Northwest with rain and mountain snow there. Watch warning map from last evening. Winter weather advisories across the northern tier of the country. Winter storm warnings in UP and Michigan. And fairly quiet across the rest of the country. Some winter weather advisories up in the northern Cascades of Washington. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing much of the rain will be over the Ohio and Tennessee Valley down to the Gulf Coast and across the Pacific Northwest and northern Rockies, with little around here.